You can only truly start growing on YouTube when your video is suggested and promoted by YouTube itself. In this video, I will show you 3 things you need to do for it to happen. Let's go. Tip number 1, find your niche and narrow down your niche. I know you might have heard this before, but I cannot stress enough how vital is this step. Why? Well, YouTube makes money by keeping viewers on the platform as long as possible. That's why when you watch one video, you get suggested to watch another one. And these videos are displayed on the sidebar of the page, and when you play one of your videos, you should see your own videos on the recommended bar if you have optimized all your videos properly. I will talk more about the optimization in just a second. And also, when your audience watches a similar content from another channel, your video could display on the recommended videos. But that can only happen if the YouTube algorithm understands who your audience is. For the algorithm to understand who your audience is, you are the one who should know 100% who you are making your videos for. Is it for ladies who want to build abs? Is it for a true crime story lovers? Is it for dog owners or moms working from home? Or perhaps for football fans or Fortnite gamers? If you struggle to answer quickly who your videos are for, most likely YouTube algorithm will struggle to suggest your videos to the right audience. And if your video gets suggested to the wrong people, they won't watch it, and the algorithm will assume it's just not good content. So narrow down your niche and stick to it to see the YouTube algorithm will suggest and recommend your videos to the right people who can then enjoy your content, which will be then pushed more and more. Now, tip number 2, optimize your videos. It does go together with the tip number 1. You need to help out the YouTube algorithm to figure out what your videos are about. The best way to do that is to optimize your videos by including niche relevant keywords in the title, description, and tags. There are several ways to how to find out the best keywords, but the easiest one is to use tools like vidIQ that will give you the exact keyword search volumes and outweigh the competition, as ideally you are looking for a high search volumes but low competition, and vidIQ will do the job for you by giving you something that's called overall score, and you should be aiming for an overall score of 40 and above, meaning that people are searching for this keyword but the competition is not so high. I will leave the link of the vidIQ in the description of this video, and if you use the link down below, you can try out the vidIQ premium version free for 30 days. Now let's move on. Tip number 3, eye-catching thumbnails. You might have the best content ever but hardly any views because your content is quite frankly hidden behind the thumbnails. So you need to remember the views are not coming from your content but from the actual clicks on your video, and then it goes down to the retention rate. How long can you keep the viewer on your videos? More about it you can watch in this video. Now back to the thumbnails. My ever favorite tool is called canva.com. It's super easy online graphic design platform. If you struggle with the ideas on designing your thumbnails or don't have experience with Photoshop or any other designing software, Canva is a great solution. I will leave the link in the video description so you can try it out, the premium version free for 30 days to see yourself. And you see, when you have a new video, YouTube will test it out by showing your video on the platform, and you can see that on your YouTube Studio Analytics. It's called impressions. If your video has 100 impressions but only 3 clicks, it means your CTR, click-through rate, is 3%. So you need to aim for at least 5%, and if you have any less, you need to work on your thumbnails. Click the like button now if you are with me so far. Okay, so choose your niche, stick to it, optimize your videos, and design smashing thumbnails to get the ball rolling for the YouTube algorithm to promote and suggest your videos to the right audience. For extra tips and tricks on starting your YouTube channel right, you can take a free on-demand training. I will leave the link in the description. Now, for the next steps on making more money out of your YouTube channel, watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, click subscribe and turn on the notifications. I'm Eva and I will see you in the next video. For now, go ahead and watch this one right here.